What's up, people? I'm Mike Lowe, and this is part 2 of Studio Basics. Today we're talking about audio interfaces. What is it and why do you need it? It basically converts audio. What does that mean? So if I want to plug in this microphone, or if this guy wants to plug in his guitar and record into my software, then I need the interface. That's what's going to convert the audio. Analog, my voice, to the computer, digital. A to D conversion. And then from the computer to my speakers, digital to analog, D to A conversion. So why do you need it? Well, I think we just said it. So think of a big major studio. They may have a big mixer and they may have a bunch of outboard gear and a bunch of cool stuff, but it still needs to get into the computer. Pro Tools, most likely. So what do they have at the end of the line? An audio interface. So beat makers only make beats inside a box. Maybe you don't need an interface, but technically you do. It's also the D to A conversion. So if you want to plug in headphones, plug in speakers, and you want to be able to hear it at a better quality, then that's where the audio interface comes in. It's that D to A, baby. You know what I mean? That D to A. One quick little thing that really bothers me. When I don't have an interface, maybe I'm just running around with my computer, and I push the volume button, it's never quite there. There's no sweet spot. It's either too loud or too quiet. So gradual volume changes is one of the things that just makes it so buttery. So buttery, right, Gordon Ramsay? Why did I pay $8.99 for this? I'll tell you why. It's the quality, baby. It's about the sauce. If you have no sauce, you got no sauce. I prefer the Apollo Twin made from Universal Audio. There's plenty of videos that will tell you why, but basically I love the build quality. I love the fact that I can use real-time plugins. Feel free to ask me if you want me to dive into that more. And I also like the fact that I can go up to 192 kilohertz if I'm recording or just playing back. What does that mean? Think of it as megapixels in a camera. If you have a phone, the picture's gonna be nice. But if you have a really nice, expensive camera, the picture's gonna be better. They both do the job, but one is better than the other. If you need a more cheaper option, there's plenty out there. The two that I would recommend is the Audio Box from PreSonus or the Scarlett from Focusrite. Both good interfaces. I think they go up to 92, 96 kilohertz. So that would be more than enough to get you some quality. Remember, it's not always about the gear, it's about the ears. You heard? By Bing, baby. Now we just dropping so much sauce on you, you don't even know what to do. Get the bread out, because I just gave you the butter. Thanks for watching. This is Mike Lowe with Studio Basics.